Welcome to Share Talk, the only podcast where investors come first.
Hello and welcome to Share Talk. Today I'm joined by Leon Coetzer, who's CEO at Jubilee Metals. How are you today, Leon?
Good morning, Zach. Good, thank you.
Right, I'm just reading through your latest announcement, and the headline number is that you've got another 115 million tons of copper under your belt.
Oh, yes, Zach. Very excited that our copper strategy in Zambia is coming together with Jubilee, adding another 115 million tons of copper tails onto the already 150 million tons we secured and announced 2 months ago. So we definitely are progressing rapidly now in Zambia.
Yeah, I mean, I think I had a discussion with you recently regarding the word tailings and the way that I suppose some people who don't follow your company very well might not get the message that you're dealing with some significant amounts of metal, not just let's say scraps or little bits and pieces.
Oh, quite correct, Zach. I mean, that's what we demonstrate to our own industry and the market, is that where we have established ourselves in reprocessing what we class tailings to produce metals, we have demonstrated that you can really establish a company of real magnitude, because quite right, as you say, it's not scrap metal or little heaps of scrap metal we're processing. It's millions of tons that we secure and then process quantities of metals. If you just look at the past 12 months, Jubilee has processed and produced nearly 400,000 tons of chrome concentrate, as an example, which is right up there with the biggest producers. And that's all from tailings. So very much a very, very significant operation and production of metals.
And obviously, as you're not having to dig deep into the ground, your costs of production are presumably far less than equivalent mining companies.
Oh, absolutely, Zach. There comes two massive benefits just in the fact that all of our resources we now hold, which is resources will keep us busy over many, many, many years to process through all those resources, are at surface, which means two things. One, absolutely, yes, there's no mining component. So to uplift the material and get it to our plants is particularly easy and cheap. And secondly, being at surfaces, we can drill and sample the resource body to death to ensure that we are fully aware of the content, the profile of the material, to allow our processes to be designed very accurately to recover the metals. So very, very big advantage of having your feedstock at surface to touch and feel it rather than deep under the ground.
And so what's next for Jubilee apart from lots of hard work?
Well, definitely lots of hard work, of course. Now that we're sitting with nearly 270 million tons of copper tailings alone on our books in Zambia, of course, we now enter into a very exciting period of building our concentrating facilities, where we'll be concentrating up the copper and then refining it in our already operating copper refinery. As we told the market, we've set ourselves a target of to reach 25,000 tons of copper produced per annum. And with these assets, we're well on our way to deliver on those targets.
Leon Coetzer, CEO of Jubilee Metals, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Zach.
Thank you for listening. Remember to visit our website for more news and other podcasts at www.share-talk.com.